Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? Hope you guys slept really well last night. Let's go over Decentraland. Guys, Decentraland and probably Sand are the two leading projects for cryptocurrency, at least, for the metaverse. And I know there's a lot of talk about the metaverse being like, oh, it's a total flop, Mark Zuckerberg losing billions of dollars. You know, I still think there's something here, and I do think it's very important for you guys to be diversified. I just came out with a masterclass talking about diversification, so I want to dive into this coin today a little bit, give us some projections of where we're going to go. This coin is very close for us to be winning on this channel. AVAX is probably going to be our 110th win, and that will probably be our 111th. So to give you guys a quick update, if you've never seen our channel before, we have won 109 crypto trades in a row, and we have never taken a single loss on crypto, okay? We also have one of the healthiest, if not the healthiest account you guys might see over here on YouTube. This is not to be arrogant or anything like that. You'll understand as we go through this video today how you guys can copy me and you guys can do this. So real quick, I want to do this in the beginning of the video so I can kind of get this out of the way, if I can say that real quick, and then we'll dive in. In order to take all of our signals, if you guys want to enter into every single one of our trades, you want to access all the metrics you're going to see on the right side of the screen today, our membership is going up to $95 in 3 days per month. So if you guys want to come over here, snag everything you guys see in this video as far as the metrics, as far as the trade entries, I will get you guys in there. Go ahead and snag this. It's in the description. We are going to be upping this from $49 a month to $95 a month, literally in 3 days. I want to make that very clear. You guys get access to the masterclasses, Inner Circle, and the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits, as well as telling you guys exactly when I'm getting into trades once I exit a trade. So I want to say that in the beginning. Now, guys, let's have a blast. Let's get into the analysis and let's talk about Mana. So go to the trade setups and metrics, scroll all the way down on the front page and go to Mana, Decentraland. Let's click on the metrics and we'll dive in here. Okay. Let's start over here on the left side of your screen. What we're seeing here today is the indicators. So the trend dashboard, the price or so money flow, and trend exhaustion. These are sold separately. They're on the website. I'll show this to you guys later. I don't want to talk about that right now. I want to show this to you guys. What you're seeing right now is this is majority red, okay? We're seeing that a lot of retail trader indicators are still bearish this morning, and I wouldn't doubt if a lot of people waking up this morning are looking at this descending trend line that's staring them in the face. We are seeing this happen on a lot of coins this morning. What we need to see is we need to see a break about 275. This will push us above the descending resistance and push us to the quarters theory level of 275. Now, if 275 is broken, what's going to happen here, in my opinion, is we are going to start targeting previous structure high. Does this sound like the avalanche video you guys just watched? I hope it does, because watch this. Price structure that goes into a downward trend here, and it actually ends up breaking a descending resistance, likes to push back up to structure highs. Do you guys see that right there? Okay, so when I come out here and I'm saying this, if we can hit 275, which is an official break of the descending resistance, this could push us into the bull market to actually get us back up here close to $3.50, $3.50, which is very close to the previous structure high up here. This is about 240, and if you get up here to the top here, you're about exactly at 350. So about, I would say, let me write this down because I want to get, let's use this structure high here. It's about 340. So we're going to look at 340, but we have to break that 275 mark to get there. So watch that. That's a technical analysis perspective. Now come down here. Let's take a look at the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. Guys, these indicators, these are what we use to call exits for our trades. They are super good and they help us get us out of trades in the profit. That's just what we've used and we've never lost a trade. That's why I'm really passionate about these when I talk about them. Okay. What we're seeing right now is we are seeing divergence. So at this same moment, while the price structure was making a low, another lower low, we saw over here that the well money flow was actually making a low and a higher low, pushing back up into the market. This is a bullish sign for a turnaround. So those of you guys who came out over here and you guys went to look to take some short trades over here with our indicators, you guys may want to look to take some profit right now because yes, you guys made a ridiculous amount on short trades, and just full disclosure, guys, we don't trade short trades on this channel. We only take long trades, and you guys did not get in at the very top. You got in over here at the left side, right around this area, about 319. If you're holding that trade, you're up about 20%. If you use 2x leverage, 5x leverage, you're either up 40%, maybe up 100% in your accounts if you guys are leveraging. All right, here's what I gotta say, guys. I don't think this downtrend is gonna last too much further. So if you're up and you guys are shorting, I would look to take at least 50% out of your shorts and actually maybe exit all of it. I'm not a financial advisor, but maybe to look to take some money out of the market, because I do think the moment that we break above here, we're going to start targeting previous structure high at $3.40, which we just talked about. Use these indicators, guys, to look for that move. Now, all of my scalpers out there that you guys got into positions down here, you guys got in positions here, you guys are looking to get this back into the profit, and once this breaks, you will be in the profit as well. So let me talk to my scalpers real quick. Let me show this to you guys. The next moment the trend exhaustion gets to the top red section up here and the well money flow has been moved up here, I want you guys to watch for another drop back down. This is called the drop over here. You guys can see this here. You guys saw this here. Great. We saw it move back down. Trend exhaustion consolidated in the top red section. Well money flow high. That wasn't at the top. It was over here on the left-hand side. And then we saw the move back down. Trend exhaustion high. Well money flow high. Seeing the move back down. So watch this. Next time you guys see the trend exhaustion in the top red section, call it for yourself. Use it on all the cryptocurrencies. When you see this, watch for that move back down. So I just want to let you guys know how we're using these and how our traders are using these, because they're doing very well scalping and using the markets. I use 4 different buy limits. I'm in this trade with you guys. So our break-even entry is actually at $2.81. Once we break above here, that is where I'm going to be looking to take some profit. And I'm going to be looking to take profit, guys, before we get to the ascending resistance. So we're probably going to take about a 10 to 11% profit on this, and then we're going to see that move back down, snag it on the higher low like this, and we're going to get back into it. It's probably not going to be right there. It's probably going to look more like this. It's probably going to look more like this, and back down, snag it right around here, and then we're just going to rat it up again, take another win. We're just going to keep compounding our money over and over. But what if it heads down? We have 2 more buy limits, so we're not worried about this trade whatsoever. Okay, now let's dive into the metrics. It's so fun. I like showing you guys all the pricing stuff in the beginning because it's just fun to dive in and keep going. All right, let's do this. Emotional index. Take a look at this. We are in this bottom section, the anxious section. We're not super deep in this. That's very clear to see. But we're getting close to this anxious section here of emotions for retail traders. Yes, it's anxious. Guess what, guys? This is the best time to be buying cryptocurrencies when the market is anxious. Because when the market's anxious and when it gets fearful, this is usually a time where you guys start seeing the market actually turn around and start actually heading back up. It's pretty interesting as you guys watch this. What happens with the market when emotions take over? People start selling because they're anxious and fearful, and wells and institutions come and buy it up like crazy. Okay, take a look at this. Market cap strength for Mana. There actually isn't long and short trade data for anybody out there, honestly, for Mana. It'd be cool if they did, but they just don't have it. As long as the green line is following the white line, this is healthy. What we do not want to see is the price starting to move up here and the green line moving back down. It's happened on Bitcoin before. We have called market cycles with watching the market cap. So please, guys, watch this. If the green line moves down, it means money is literally flowing out of Mana and interest is decreasing in Mana and money's flowing to other altcoins, because this shows you guys the percentage of market cap that's in Mana relative to the entire market cap. So if you guys take a look at this and you go over here to the left, sorry, that was really, really terrible. But this is showing us, sorry, you probably didn't hear me there. This is showing us that we're at 0.28% is what Mana holds. Not a ton, but as long as we can see this oscillating with the price, that's very healthy. We do not want to see the market cap move down and the price move up. That actually is a bearish sign, because it means literally money is moving out of Mana and it's going to other coins. Interest is moving out of Mana and going to other places. Okay, this is very healthy. Trades in favor right now. We can see this, that we are pushing down in here to a good long trade area. Well, I wonder why. Guys, trend exhaustion is low. Well money flow is low. Looking for this move back up. This is a metric that updated yesterday. So this is why I love showing this to you guys. That was down here at the bottom. Those of you guys who got into that long trade, if you guys are scalping, if you guys are seeing this metric, good job for you guys. You guys are in the profit right now. You guys are making some decent money on that scalp. Again, those of you guys who are scalping on the 4-hour time frames, look to take only about 3 to 4% profit. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, want to make that clear. But guys, 3 to 4%, that's all you're looking for, and then getting out, and then getting in and getting out over and over again, okay? 1 to 2%, forget that. It's not worth your time. 3 to 4% is what you're looking for, okay? It's going to pay for all your fees and actually build your account pretty fast if you guys want to scalp with our indicators, okay? Take a look at this. Well, in institutional smart money, we are seeing that as price went up, shorts came out, the price dropped down. As price went down, longs came out, it pushed the market back out, guys. If you guys literally want to trade with like what it's technically called smart money, I don't want to be derogatory about this. This is literally called dumb money over here. I came out with an entire masterclass to teach you guys the difference between dumb money and smart money. If you guys are trading and you keep losing trades, if you guys are not continually winning trades over and over and over again, like not a single person who's ever joined our membership has ever lost a trade if they're trading with us. Not a single person, okay? Not a single person. Why? Because we trade with wells and institutions and smart money because we know when they are buying. They're literally doing the exact opposite of retail traders. As price is going up, retail traders are getting really excited because the price is going up. And they think, oh, I've been conditioned to trade with momentum. The trend is my friend. I need to trade with it. You guys have heard these sayings, right? Maybe you have. If you're, unless you're brand new, you haven't. But if you guys have been following crypto for a while, it's like, oh, trade with the trend. Get in here. So what you guys do is, first of all, you have to actually have the trend be established in the first place to trade with the trend. And when the trend is established, that means it's already going up. So the moment that the price is already going up, you're already losing out on profits. So you're like, okay, Travis, well, how do I then take advantage of that? You take advantage of it while everyone else is selling. You actually buy in. So before everybody says the trend is their friend because it's heading up, you're already in a trade and you're making the money. Does that make sense, guys? How we're winning these trades and we're not losing any. We are trading against all of retail traders because right now people are clearly selling into the market. Look at smart money over here. They're coming in here and they're buying this up. So watch for this move back up in the market here, guys, because they know what they're doing. They pumped it here. They pumped the price here. They shot it up there. They also bought this dip like crazy, and then the market moved back up for them and they made their money right there. And then what did they do? They came out and they took short trades, guys, and they dropped all the money back out. Everyone was thinking, hitting this 50% Fibonacci retracement right here, looking for an all-time high, and guess what? It's not going to happen. Look at the short trades that came out. This is a metric you guys really want to have on your side. You will do really well. I'm not trying to turn this into a sales pitch at all, but like seriously, unshamefully going to plug this. This will make you guys more money if you're watching this. The metrics hold true, okay? Pretty awesome. Support and resistance prices. Let's take a look at this. The next resistance I'm looking at is quarters theory level of 275. That is exactly, I know it says 272, but I'm looking at 275. 275 on the chart will push us above the descending resistance. This is very good. If this breaks, it can retest, and then we can see it move back up here to about, what was the target, guys? It was 340 is what we're looking for. So watch that bullishness to take over. Coming down here, two more metrics, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup if you want to take one right now. Dollar cost average entries. Great entry for you guys. Those of you who have, let's say you have $10,000 on the side. I know that may be a lot for some of you guys. Let's say it's $1,000. Doesn't matter. Split it into 10 portions if you want. Every time you get a green bar on one of the coins that you guys like to trade, you could throw $10 in, throw $1,000 in. It's dollar cost averaging into these trades here. Sorry, let me check my microphone. I might have unplugged it here for a second. Okay, we're good. What I want you guys to do is watch this of when we get down here. This is great entries that you guys can get into the market here and just hold it for 5 to 10 years. It's what's called dollar cost average entries. So good job for you guys who are picking those trades up. You guys are doing great. Exit points. The next time we come up here, we're going to look for an exit point in the market, and then we're going to see that possible move back down. It called it over here. It called the drop in the market there. It called the drop market over here, as well as over here and right here. So definitely a metric you guys want to be watching. Now, the only other metric on this page here that you guys want to really watch here and actually get into to make some money is today's trade setup. So let me show this to you guys. I want to keep it private for our members, but if you guys, like what you're seeing here, that membership I showed you in the beginning, it's in the description. You guys get access to all the trade setups, everything you guys, all the metrics, everything, as well as the master classes and the inner circle. We're going to be doing a live Zoom session here on March 10th coming up here. So mark your calendars for that. We're going to be doing that. Okay, let me show you guys on Bitcoin how to get into this trade. It's going to be the same thing. So let's keep mana in view over here. What you guys are going to do for mana is you're going to see on our website today 4 yellow lines. It's 4 buy limits you guys can enter into mana right now for. Those are just thrown out there. That's not obviously where they are. Here's what you guys are going to do. If you want to trade with us, this is how we've never lost a trade. So please pay attention here. Choose the amount that you want to enter in with. You choose the amount. I'm not a financial advisor. You guys choose the amount. Split the $1,000, let's say it's $1,000, into 4 equal portions. So 250, 250, 250, 250, okay? Now place this 250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. Very simple. Once the first buy limit price is hit, set up the sell limit in green for 100% exit. Okay. First buy limit gets hit, set up the sell limit in green for 100% exit. That's all you guys are doing. Now, once you have that set up, follow me in Telegram so you guys can actually end up getting the calls that I make to exit these trades. Guys, every single trade that we have going right now, I will call an exit for. And then once it's exited, I will also come out and do a notification so you guys can join me on the next trade. When I say I'm getting back into Avalanche or I'm getting back into Mana, because those are probably going to be our next 2 trades, all you have to do is come to the website, scroll down, enter money into those 4 buy limits, and you will have exactly the same entry as me. That's what everybody just did on Mana and Avalanche, and we have a ton of people, like thousands of people, joining us on this trade. And if this moves back up, guys, we're about to take our 110th and 111th trade. Once those exit, come back over here and get into the next trade. So there you guys go. Real quickly, I know I told you guys in the beginning, but literally 3 days left you guys have, and then we're going to be up in our membership price. Before you guys leave, let me just talk to you about this real quick. Our indicators, this is how we're calling exits: the trend exhaustion, price to swell, money flow, trend dashboard. Okay, guys? You guys are going to get 82% off all of our indicators today. That's just what you guys get. It's an awesome deal. We've actually never had it this low before for a sale. So good job. Snag that, guys. We have it for like Black Friday, but as prices went up here, 82% off. If you guys have been following us for a while, we normally have this, the biggest sell we used to have is actually 81%. So it's not a huge increase, but here's the deal. If you guys get the individual indicators, because we actually up these because they're worth a ton of money, because we make a lot of money with these, use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout, and you guys will get 40% off these 3 indicators. If you guys just get the bundle pack, you guys will end up getting an extra 42% off all of our indicators. So all 9 of these that you guys see on our website with the link in the description, when you click that, it'll take you to this page. You will get all of these guys for the bundle pack price. And this is not expensive, guys. This is really cheap for what you guys are able to make over here. And look at the testimonials if you want when you guys get a second on our website, and it'll be really cool for you guys to see that. Okay? Just want to point that out. Also, anybody, real quick, if you've ever purchased the individual indicators from us and you have not got the bundle pack, and you're like, look, I want to get the bundle pack 82% off because I don't want to pay a higher price and I want all the other indicators you guys have. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Just email us today. My team knows to give you guys a PayPal invoice. You guys can get in here and you guys will end up basically getting the whole bundle pack for the difference. So let's say you guys paid for the price or so money flow, and the difference between the price you paid here and the bundle pack, we'll just give you guys the difference and you'll get all 9 indicators. You do not have to purchase the bundle pack to get them all. That's ridiculous. So we'll save you guys and give you guys the best deal possible always. So looking at this, guys, I do believe Mana, as well as AVAX, which is Avalanche that we just covered in the last video before this one, I do think we're going to start seeing moves back up here. And we just need to be watching for this move to 275, and then I believe we're going to start targeting 340, and that's the move that I'm looking for. If we move back down, the next greatest structure support I'm looking at is around this whole numbers at $2. But before we get there, we have what's called a quarters theory level of 225, which I do think that could be our saving grace, if you will, if we start moving down. So really quickly, guys, 225 is where I think we're going to probably get our next bounce if we continue this move down. But if we don't, I do think we can definitely start moving back up here, and this will break to the upside. Guys, you know this, right? Like everyone knows this. This isn't like I'm trying to call out something fantastic here. This will break to the upside. It's either that or it all goes back down to 0. That's not going to happen. Cryptocurrency will turn around. So if you guys think crypto is going to turn around, it's not going to go to 0. Maybe set up some long trades today with the risk management that I showed you guys on the charts at the bottom of the page there, and you guys can get in there. If you guys get in today and simply just wait for me to call the exit for you in Telegram, you're going to be doing about, because I'm not going to exit till we're up here, you're going to get about 25 to maybe 30% out of that trade. 25 to 30%. You will make more money than even I will. So that's another reason why you guys want to snag this membership over here before it goes up in 3 days. All right, guys, God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing day. Everything you guys need is in the description. I love you guys. Feel free to smash that subscribe button and that thumbs up button if you guys liked anything in this video. It really does mean the world to me and the team, myself, Travis, and then Jake and Josh. We look at the subscriber count. We're like, man, it'd be super cool to hit 50,000. So if you guys see anything you like in these videos, it means so much to us if you guys subscribe. We'll keep these videos coming for you. I'll do one more video today, and we'll keep looking at these markets, guys. Every video we're going to be trading on here, so everything you guys need is in the description. I love you guys. Have a really, really good day, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye-bye.